Hey everyone, today we're diving into Minea, the powerful dropshipping and e-commerce tool that's turning aspiring sellers into profit masters. But before you jump in, let's answer two crucial questions. Does Minea offer a free trial? And how much does it cost to unlock its full potential? Buckle up because we're about to unveil the key to your e-commerce success in this video. But before we do that, we will be leaving a link in the description for you to try out Minea. So let's get on to the video. The great news is, Minea lets you test drive its magic before committing. Their free forever life plan is your no-risk entry point. Think of it as an appetizer. It has basic product search, which lets you discover winning products from over 200 million ads, and has essential data insights, which gains basic metrics like engagement and impressions. You can also have competitor ad inspiration, which analyzes top-performing ads to craft your own strategies. This light plan might not be the full feast, but it's a perfect way to try out and see if Minea aligns with your e-commerce vision. And who knows, you might even stumble upon your next dropshipping goldmine right there. Now, if you're ready to unlock the full Minea experience, prepare to explore their diverse menu of paid plans, each crafted to empower your e-commerce journey. For the first plan, which is called Starter Plan, which costs $49 per month, this is your gateway to serious scaling. You get unlimited product searches, advanced data dive, AI-powered success radar, and winning ad strategies. Second is the Premium Plan, which costs $99 per month. Takes things to the next level with everything in Starter, but with unlimited ad downloads, AI-powered photo generation, and description generator. Last is the Business Plan. Unleash your e-commerce empire with everything in Premium, plus 150,000 credits and business tools and deep insights. This costs $399 per month or $299 per month if paid yearly. So, picking up the perfect plan depends on your e-commerce stage. Beginner, the Light Plan is your risk-free playground. Scaling your dropshipping business, Starter fuels your growth. And building an e-commerce empire, Business unleashes your full potential. Remember, we've included a link to Minea's website and all their plans in the video description below. Dive in, explore, and find the perfect fit for your e-commerce journey. Minea's free plan and flexible pricing plans make it accessible for everyone. Don't wait. Head over to the description and click on the link below to find Minea. Grab your plan and start tuning your e-commerce dreams into reality.